Hello guys, in this video, we will create an AI influencer from scratch using Sora and some other tools. So let's start. To create an AI influencer, we need a face. We can use either Grok or Flux to create a face for free. This is Flux's Hugging Face Space, free for use. Well, I am trying Grok. Asking it to generate a beautiful girl image. Images are generated. I am choosing this one. Her hair color is not completely black, but I am still using her for this tutorial video. You should add a hair color in the prompt that matches the hair color of the girl in the video or image from which we will face swap. Now, the next step is to create videos and images. For images, use Flux or Grok as well. For videos, use Sora or any other AI video generator. Let's try generating an image with Grok. Add the prompt. Wait now. Images are generated, and I am choosing this one. Now, video time. Go to Sora. Select the ratio to 9:16 for shorts or reels. Add the prompt. And wait. Videos are generated. I am choosing this one as it looks good. If you are a Plus user, Sora can generate a maximum of 5 seconds of video. You can create multiple videos like me and then edit them after face swapping for Reels, or buy the Pro plan to get videos of 20 seconds. The next and final step is face swapping. There are many free face swap sites, you can try any of them. For this video, I am using Mimic AI. Search for Mimic AI. Go to this link. And now launch it for free. Sign up or log in. After logging in, you will have 50 cents of credits for free. Here, go to Face Fusion. Create and start it. Wait. Here, enable Face Enhance. Add the source and target images or videos. Let's try with images first. Add the source image here. Add the target image here. Run it. Wait. Face swap is done. It is not an exact match due to the hair color difference. You can disable Face Enhance for a better match of the face. Now, try videos. Add the source image here. Add the target video here. Run it. Wait. Face swap is done. It looks good. You can use it on Instagram or YouTube without any copyright issues. Also, this app doesn't replace hair, just the face. So, please keep the same hair color in the input image and target image or video. You can do that with prompting easily. After reaching the free limits of Mimic AI, please try again from the start by creating a new account with a new email. Or use this Sora AI GitHub. It is an open source repository that does the same job. You can deploy it on your computer. You can also use it on Google Colab for free. Here is a sample Colab link for that. It is a little complicated, so I used Mimic AI. You can visit this GitHub page to know more. Thanks. That's all for this video.